Hello everyone, welcome back to Touch to Click. In today's video, I will show you how to adjust volume mixer in Windows 10, so you can control the sound levels of different apps easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start menu icon located at the bottom left corner of your screen, then click on the Settings gear icon. The Settings menu is where you control important system features. Opening it gives you access to all audio and system configurations. Step 2. In the Settings window, click on System. This section contains display, notifications, power, and sound settings. It is important because audio controls are managed from here. Step 3. From the left sidebar, click on Sound. The Sound section allows you to manage input and output devices. It helps you control speakers, microphones, and app volumes. Step 4. Scroll down and click on App Volume and Device Preferences. This option opens the advanced volume controls for individual applications. It allows you to customize sound output for each running app. Step 5. In the Volume Mixer section, move the sliders left or right to adjust the volume for each application. Sliding to the right increases the volume, and sliding to the left decreases it. This helps you balance audio between apps according to your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful videos.